In this lesson, we'll learn the different kupu for huarākau, or fruits, starting with tomato, or tomato. I know it's a controversial one to start with, but whether it's a huarākau, fruit, or huawhenua, vegetable, it doesn't matter. What matters is that the Māori term for it is tomato. Melons are called merengi. Merengi wai is watermelon, and merengi toka is rockmelon. Āporo is apple. Ārani is orange. Panana is banana, but it's also called a maika. Fun fact, that's the word commonly used across the Pacific as well. A pear is a pear. Crepe is a grape. Mango is mango. Tieri is cherry. And naisen reka. Reka is the word for sweet. Speaking of sweet, remana is lemon. The word for sour is kawa. And I saved the best for last. Rōpere is strawberry. Now let's chuck these ingredients into the blender, ka kōrori ai, and blend.